The Academies of Nashville are really on the cutting edge of what's happening in education.
One of the things that stands out to me is how many other schools around the country are trying to figure out how to implement the academy model that we have already had in place for 10 years.
We saw the academy model as a real opportunity to truly transform education and make it more authentic and real for students.
I'm learning what I want to learn, so I'm in class, I'm more focused. I get to do what I want to do and have fun with it at the same time.
Opportunities like audio production, aviation engineering, pilot classes, things like that you don't get in a traditional high school.
When students come into an academy, they choose a program of study or pathway. Think of it like choosing a major and minor in college. That major is comparable to choosing the academy, and that minor is comparable to choosing a pathway.
Everything from the medical sciences to engineering to mechatronics, anything that is high demand in our area provides students with opportunities for employment at a much faster and higher rate than their peers who do not get to experience the academies and understand what's available to them in the area.
Each academy is made up by a team of teachers, so students are surrounded by a group of caring adults from various content areas, whether that's English, math, or social studies.
My least favorite class is physics, but when it's taught through the lens of audio production, it helps me remember it and it helps me understand just a little bit better.
Introduction to the Academy starts in the 9th grade. Through the 9th grade, students get to explore various colleges. So they don't only see what it's like to be on a college campus, but also what it feels like in the college experience. Additionally, students participate in a career fair where they get to connect with, learn from, and engage with various employees from industries across our city.
Over 150 businesses are represented, and it's so successful, we even have private schools asking to participate.
By the 10th grade, students have chosen their academy and pathway. During that 10th grade year, they participate in industry-related field trips. For example, maybe students go into a hospital and they see what it's like in the day in the life of a nurse. Or they're going out on the engineering field, where they're seeing where engineers are firsthand building bridges, roads, buildings, you name it. In the 11th grade, students continue to experience what it's like to be in an industry and career of their interest. Unlike the 10th grade year, where students do a job shadow of a career of their interest, in the 11th grade, they have an opportunity to have a one-on-one experience in those businesses with an employee, which may be a day of seeing what the life is like of those employees, or it may be over a series of days, weeks, or months through a specialized internship.
They begin to come in and now and take on one aspect of the work, and they're actually going to go in and work with a leader and start doing productivity, start working with their hands and seeing how work is really done.
Think of the 12th grade year as a culminating experience where students are taking what they've learned from 9th grade all the way up to their senior year to participate either in a capstone experience or a career practicum where they are not only learning what it's like to actually work in a job of their interest, but also earning wages. Through the capstone course, students identify, design, and research a topic of interest within a career of their interest. They then share their results and receive feedback.
We plan to build a hydrogen truck, a hydrogen tractor, a 40-panel solar farm, and a hydrogen generator. These will be used to help in our community garden that we run.
The 12th grade year is also an opportunity for students to take a course called Career Practicum. Through Career Practicum, students apply for jobs in which they meet the prerequisites from their learning experiences since 9th grade. They are interviewed and they are offered job positions where they are working directly with employers. They are earning wages and they are creating a pipeline that may lead them to college and further career readiness. We recognize that interests may change. Students can change their academy or pathway at least once during their academy experience. If a student is interested in an academy that is not offered at their school, They can exercise school option to attend a high school that offers an academy that is more aligned with their interest.
We know that business and industry employers play a huge role in supporting schools. And when they engage in the development of the academy model, they're at the table when the academies are developed. They become co-owners.
Our industry professionals sat down with the teachers, helped develop the curriculum and online materials for the teachers and the students.
If you were to look at the list of the top 10 employers in Nashville, the majority of them are serving as Academy partners, and that's who our students are getting to network with. That's who they're getting internships with. That's who they're going to do job shadowing experiences with. That's who's coming and being part of our career exploration fair.
Because I interned over the summer at St. Thomas Midtown and I'm also a St. Thomas scholar, I have a connection with the St. Thomas family. So once I'm out of college, I'll be able to start finding a job, and I have that connection with them already.
The benefits of the Academy system in Metro Nashville Public Schools is that it supports our goal to increase the rigor, relevance, and relationships with all of our students, as well as readiness for college and career opportunities beyond high school.
Industry partners are now working in a very close relationship with students to tutor and mentor them on specific industry exams.
I'm able to take all the advanced placement classes, the Cambridge classes, and actually graduate with my ACE Cambridge diploma without an issue, and also take all the academy classes I want as well.
I'm a football player at Cane Ridge. I have a 4.2 and I have AP and honors classes.
So when I graduate high school, I am looking to have around 21 hours of college credit.
When we started, I would look on Edutopia, and I would see one part of a school that had an academy, what those students got to do it, what those business partners did for them. And it was maybe 50 students that were being impacted. What's happened here is that there's thousands doing what those 50 students got to do. That's the power of it.